I want to thank everybody who's joined up and made comments on the Facebook page. This is fantastic, and it's really good to see. What I'm trying to do here with our whānui is to introduce a topic that matters here in New Zealand, and to have it transferred, as it were, to the world, so that we can look at what's going on in the same area. For example, if it's in climate change and how that affects Aotearoa New Zealand, how does it affect other places in the world, and try and draw some lessons from that. If there's a flood, what about floods elsewhere? What solutions have people found to those floods? If it's pollution, again, what's going on. We've just had this example that I've been dealing with irrigation schemes, and the irrigation scheme, of course, is the one called Arua Taniwha, and that is in the Hastings area, Napier Hastings area of New Zealand. And to really see why the Environmental Court has put some stringent conditions on that, I think we need to look overseas, and I'm doing so. And then bring the topic back home. So the idea is that we introduce a topic here in Aotearoa, we look at what that topic is, then see what overseas information we can get, and then come back home. And now with that, we've also got a lot of people joining in from overseas. For example, we've got Jessica in Barcelona, we've got Maria in Zamora in Spain, we've got people in the Ivory Coast in Africa, people in Bogota, Colombia, people in the USA, right across the USA, and this is very, very good. It's great, and thanks to the internet, I think we're starting to develop a situation here, which I'm not sure that other people do to the extent that we're doing it. You often have international news agencies such as Al Jazeera and so forth, which stay at the international level. And what I'm trying to do is to actually get up to that international level, but first, before I do that, ground the argument in something that's happening locally, and then having taken it to an international level, to bring it back home. I don't know if I'm doing it all the time, but thanks anyway, people.